Watch it guys, this is just a quick video to say thank you very much to everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I started this channel in 2009 and started off as a bit of fun and tried to help some people out, and sort of spiraled out of control from there really. I started creating more and more content, helping as many people as I can for free of course, and the channel has grown and grown since then. Now obviously we're in 2018 and we've now reached the 300,000 subscriber mark. Now some of you people may think that's not a massive amounts of people, seeing how long I've done it now. That's correct, because there's a lot of YouTube channels that create content and hardly put any content out, and they reach this milestone very quickly. But for me it's been a long hard slog, and I've had times where I wanted to give up, but I've carried on doing it just because of you guys. I feel committed more than ever. I will continue to make more and more content as long as people watch them and as long as people appreciate them. I don't mind creating them. Now obviously I don't think I'm ever going to get to 1 million subscribers. I'd love to get to that milestone, but I think that's going to be a bridge too far. It's took me long enough to get to 300,000 subscribers, but as I said, I'm just thrilled to bits to get to 300,000, and also over 100 million video views or channel views I've got on this channel, which to me is a remarkable achievement in itself. Now remember, none of this would have been possible without you guys hitting the subscribe button and also watching my videos. So really I do appreciate it a lot, and I also see this channel as your channel as much as it is mine, because without you guys I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be at this 300,000 subscriber mark. So a big thank you to everyone that has stuck around and hit that subscribe button and carried on watching my content for many years, and hopefully many more years to come. So anyway, I've just wanted to wrap this one up. If you think that you've got any ideas for the channel, or you would like me to give something back to you, which I'm willing to do, then let me know in the comment section below, within reason. Obviously I can't start giving away brand new cars and stuff like that, but something within reason. Or if you're quite happy with me just to continue as we are, then that's fine by me too. But I would like to give something back, some sort of giveaway or something like that. So let me know in the comment section below what would be a good idea for a giveaway, whether it be Amazon vouchers or computer, wherever it is, and I'll see what I can muster up and see what I can do, because I really would love to try and do something like that to give something back to the community, and hopefully maybe someone who is watching this video would like to help and sponsor the video to try and give me a chance to create maybe a PC for you guys and give something back. I'd love to do that, but obviously that can cost a lot of money, and shipping it around the world can be very difficult too. So I need to work out what is possible and what is not possible. Anyway, I'm going to start to wrap this one up. I just wanted to say a big thanks again, and I shall see you again for more videos in the near future. So thanks again for watching. Bye for now.